Hello everyone. Aji ami sobe eta important topic eta discuss korim. He discussion to hoise je ray optics or pora derivation of prism formula. A prism formula to amar karne bahut eta important formula hoy. So ami tar agot he derivation to kora agote prothom te jani losun no prism to no ki hoy. Prism to no kenekwa no dekhibole. So tar karone ami kisman suppose eta briefly etu bostu to bujai disu. Eta ami three-dimensional object eta consider korisu. Thik ase? So here three-dimensional object to consider korte etia sab yat prism to karone ami gom pabo laibo je ketaman key points ase. Key points to hoise je it should be identical, parallel and have flat surfaces. Okay, identical, parallel and flat surfaces. So a three-dimensional figure to ami keneke gom pam etu je identical, parallel aru flat surfaces ase. So ami prothomote keneke identical to sam dekhilu je etu eta triangle, etu eta triangle. That means these two triangles are identical to each other. One more thing, this triangle and this triangle are parallel to each other. So we can say that these two are parallel. So a duta concept yet accept hoise identical, parallel. Our flat surface bodi kene kom, it has three rectangles. One this, one at the top and one at the bottom. So it has how much? Two triangles which are identical, and it has three rectangles which have flat faces or flat surfaces. So in this case we can name this prism to be a triangular prism. So a prism to kami ki naam dibo paru? Triangular prism. Okay. So let us consider another example. Another we will take a three-dimensional object. Say here you see this is a rectangular block. Here in this rectangular block we have these two rectangular surfaces. These two rectangles are identically all respect. And one more thing, these two are parallel to each other. So they have how much? Two rectangles which are identical and parallel. And again we have how many surfaces are here? One at the top, one at the bottom, one at the front and one at the back. That means we have four surfaces. What surfaces? Rectangular surfaces. So in this case it obeys all the three properties, means identical, parallel and they have the flat surfaces. So in that case we can say this to be a rectangular prism. So in order to understand the prism topic we have to know that the prism must have identical, parallel and flat surfaces. Again we see which does not obey the prism laws are that suppose we consider one section of a pipe. So this is one section of the pipe. Here we see these two are identical surfaces. These two are circles. Okay. And these two are parallel to each other. It is obeying the identical property and the parallel property. But we see that this surface is curved. Means this portion is the curvature part. So it does not have a flat surface. So in this cylinder we cannot consider to be a prism. Okay. So for this topic we require a triangular prism. So we will just focus on this triangular prism now. I hope you all have understood what is how the prism look like. Now in order to derive the prism formula we will consider the front section of the prism. The front section of the prism looks like a triangle. Okay, it is bounded by the prism is bounded by generally 5 surfaces. And these are the refracting surfaces. Let us name the prism. Say the prism is A, B and C. What are the surfaces? The surfaces are AB, BC and AC respectively. Now, in this case, this is made of glass and this is rarer medium. So, we know since it is the combination of two medium, so a ray of light will suffer what? Refraction. So, ray of light will suffer refraction. Let us say this is the incident ray. It is incident on this prism. Okay, since this is the incident ray, and how the normal appears? The normal will be perpendicular to the surface AB. This is the normal. And this is the angle of incidence. Okay, so this is the refracting surface and this angle A is bounded by two refracting surfaces. So this angle A is known as the angle of the prism or the refracting angle. Okay, now this is the incident ray. When a ray of light goes from rarer to denser medium, so the ray of light, when it enters from rarer to denser medium, what happens to the refracted ray? The refracted ray bends towards the normal. Means it will be bending towards this normal. So this is the direction of the refracted light. Okay, let us name this. Say this name is R1. Okay, now again we now consider the surface AC. Now for the surface AC, this is the incident ray. So again the ray of light will now pass from denser to rarer. Since this is the incident ray, so what will be the position of the normal? Again the normal will be perpendicular to the surface, yes or no? So this is the normal. This is the direction of the normal. Okay. So let the normal be, let us name it. So this is the normal and let us name the angle. Say this angle of incidence is R2. So again you see now, if the prism was not there, suppose the prism to jodi yat nathakile, tetia ki hol ate? A ray of light dal jeneke goise, I straight gusi gol ate. I straight gusi gol den keneke prism to nathakile. I eneke straight gusi gol. Kintu jihetu prism to ahi gol, prism to ahi joa logalok ki hoy gol? It suffers refraction. Ta mane I juntu pathot jabo bicharisile, hetu pathot I jabo noarile. Ta mane it gets deviated from the track. Ta mane it deviate hoy gol. Etia soa a ray of light kita ami suppose name di disu de. Yat saba. A to naam di disu E, A to di disu F, A point yak di disu to naam ase G. Etia FG is the incident ray for the surface AC. ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া আমাৰ ইয়াত কি হ'ব? আকৌ রিফ্লেকশন হ'ব। এডাল হৈ গৈছে নরমাল। এতিয়া ডেন্সার বা রেরলে গৈছে। রেরার বা ডেন্সারলে আউটে রিফ্র্যাক্টরি রেটা নরমালৰ উচৰ চাপে। কিন্তু ডেন্সার বা রেরলে গলে কি হ'ব? রিফ্র্যাক্টেড রেডাল কি হ'ব? নরমালৰ পৰা আঁতৰি যায়। তাৰ মানে কি এনেকে নগৈ পেলাই এই ভাগে গুচি যাব। So this is the direction of the কি হ'ব? Second refracted ray. আৰু second refracted ray ডালক আমি নাম দিছো কি বুলি? Emergent ray. E is the emergent ray. Okay. এতিয়া আমি যদি চাবলে হয় যে এই যে ইনসিডেন্ট ৰেডাল কিমাননো ডেভিয়েট হল সো আমি কি কৰিম এই ৰেটক আমি প্ৰডিউস ব্যাকওয়ার্ড কৰি পেলাই দে মিট এট সাম দিস পয়েন্ট সে ডি এটা এ অ্যাঙ্গেল দিস অ্যাঙ্গেল represents the angle of deviation then represents the angle of deviation so let us name this EFG this is H and this is the point D this D point is known as the angle of deviation এটা তোমালকে সোৱা কিমান টু angle deviate হল নো তোমালকে গম পালা না angle of deviation এটো হৈ গল ন তাৰ মানে ই এনেকে সিধা গৈ যাব লাগিছিল সিধা নগৈ প্লাই প্ৰিজম টো আহি যোৱা কাৰণে ই এনেকে ডাইভাৰ্ট হৈ গৈছিল এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ লাইফত প্ৰিজম টো কেনেকুৱা কোন পিলা প্ৰিজম তোমালোকৰ লাইফত প্ৰিজম টো হৈছে ইয়ৰ মোবাইল হ্যান্ডসেট সো যিমানে তোমালকে মোবাইল হ্যান্ডসেট টো আতৰি দিয়া তোমালকে হিমানে আগবাঢ়ি গৈ থাকিবা সো প্ৰিজম বিলাক আমি জেনাৰেলি এভয়েড কৰিব লাগে ইন আ ডেইলি লাইফ সো ঠিক এটো ধৰণে ইয়াত চাবা প্ৰিজম টো নথকা কিন্তু ই নিজৰ ৰাস্তাতে গৈ আছিল ন ই নিজৰ ৰাস্তাত এতিয়া গুছি যাব নোৱাৰি প্লাই কি হৈ গল ই ডাইভাৰ্ট হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত ই কিমান টু এংগল ডেভিয়েট হৈ গল দিস ইজ দা এংগল অফ ডেভিয়েশন দেন ইজ দা এংগল অফ ডেভিয়েশন আমি এই প্ৰিজম ফৰ্মুলাটো উলিয়াবলৈ যাওঁতে আমি ইয়াত উলিয়াম ৰিলেশ্যন বিটুইন দ্য আই ডেল এণ্ড ই আৰু এংগল অফ দ্য প্ৰিজমৰ মাজত হ'ল সো এইটো কাৰণে আমি প্ৰথমতে কি কৰিম we will consider first in this diagram only we can find it out first so a2 jodi I hoy a2 jodi r1 hoy what will be this angle so a angle aru a angle to itu hitu logot ki hoy ase they are vertically opposite angles that means I is equal to suppose if we discuss I is equal to ki hoy jabo x let us name this as x plus r1 so what will be x equal to I minus r1 so what we get this answer here it is I minus r1 am I clear similarly a2 jodi e hoy e gutte angle dali why that way again vertically opposite angles so a2 jodi e a2 jodi r2 hoy so a angle to kiman hobo yes e minus r2 so etu hobo e minus r2 hol etia ami etu proof to koribol ja so ami prothomte lom in triangle ekdom simple proof ekdom easily buji paba sabade ami a triangle to lom in triangle DFG what is del equal to a horu triangle to del to ki hisabe kaam korise del to act korise as an exterior angle tumanke jana exterior angle is equal to sum of two remote interior angles right so yat equal to kiman hobo del equal to I minus r1 plus e minus r2 or here we have to name the normals your n1 n and n2 n are the two normals okay ite etu eta palu so etu ke ami akko hoja eneke likhim del equal to I plus e e duta bitor minus 2 common lolu so ki palu r1 plus r2 so this is say equation 1 okay next what we will do we will consider the quadrilateral why we say quadrilateral quadri means four any four sided figure is a quadrilateral so ami etia quadrilateral to consider korim in the quadrilateral kilo AFNG keep up the angle AFN plus angle AGN equal to 180 degree why take it 180 degree hole yes because n1 n and n2 n are the normal kyo normal kap koi is surface kono logo jodi eta normal hoy normal always makes an angle of how much 90 degree so hekane jehetu a dal guti dal normal hole so hekane angle AFN and angle AGN equal to kiman hoy gol 180 degree therefore angle FAG plus angle FNG equal to 180 what is the reason behind this yes sum of four angles of a ki hobo quadrilateral is how much 360 degree yeah okay fine etia ami pai golu etu etia FAG to so a to okon buri rakhi ase so hekana ami etu direct FAG buli nilikhi angle likhibo paru plus angle FNG equal to 180 degree all so etu direct ami a buli likhisu or a is equal to ki palu 180 minus angle FNG etu equation number 2 lu all etu talake buji pala sobe bhal kai etia next saba ami ki korim ekta simple geometry use korim de we will consider a small triangle see in triangle FNG tat ami ki pam saba so we will consider again now focus on this in triangle FNG we know no sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree so ami yat likhibo paru r1 plus r2 equal to ki hobo plus angle FNG is equal to kiman hobo 180 okay so r1 plus r2 to ephale rakhilu equal to ki hobo 180 minus angle FNG etu equation 3 lo okay now see focus on this equation number 2 a equal to 180 minus angle FNG and here also r1 plus r2 equal to 180 minus FNG so if we compare from equation 1 2 and 3 what do we get that a is equal to r1 plus r2 etu equation number 4 gom pala na efale 180 efale FNG efale 180 efale FNG so a equal to ami ki palu say r1 plus r2 okay এতিয়া আমি এই যে a equal to r1 plus r2 পালো সেইটো আমি এই ইকুৱেশ্যন 1 ত বহাই দিম so substituting equation 4 in 1 কি পাম আমি সব del to থাকিলে angle of deviation del is equal to কি হ'ব I plus e minus a or we can write it as a plus del equal to I plus e or I plus e equal to a plus del. So this is what is known as the prism formula. I suppose you all have understood this diagram properly. Okay, note it down. Okay, thank you.